All right, so the goal here, the first step you always want to, or you need to do, is you need to get 10 to whatever power by itself. Right now it's being divided by 2 and it has a -4 on it. So we have to get everything to the other side and then we can start using logarithms. So first step I want to do, I want to add 4 to both sides. Get rid of that. All right. And then I need to get this 2 out of the denominator. So in order to do that, I'm going to multiply by both sides by 2. And I'm going to get 10 to the 3x is equal to 44. And now I can rewrite this using log notation. All right, whatever the exponent is will be on the other side of the equal sign. All right, base 10. So this is log base 10 and a 44. All right, and now I just need to solve for x. So to get x alone, I need to divide both sides by 3. And then all you do is you're going to type log 44, make sure you close parentheses, divide by 3, and you'll get that that equals x. Now I don't have my calculator on me, so I'm not sure what that equals, but whatever your calculator tells you will be correct. All right, and then for the next problem, which is I, all right, same deal here. We need to get 10 to the x minus 3 by itself before we do anything. So first step, you have to subtract 7 from both sides. So I'm going to get 3 times 10 to the x minus 3 equals 125. Yeah. Okay. Now we're going to divide both sides by 3 because I need to get 10 to the x minus 3 by itself. So 10 to the x minus 3 is equal to 125 divided by 3, which is 41.67. Right. And now I can use logs to rewrite this. Remember, whatever's in the exponent will be after my equal sign. Log, or log base 10, so that's this part, and then 41.67. Okay, now I need to get x by itself, so all I need to do is to add 3 to both sides. And all you need to type in your calculator is log 41.67, close parentheses, that's important, plus 3 is equal to x, and whatever your calculator tells you will be what x equals. And you can always check your work. You can always plug in your x value in for x up here and then do all the workout and see if you get 132. You probably won't get 132 exactly, but you're going to get something really, really close to it just because we rounded this answer. So that should be good. Let me know if you have any other questions.